In real estate, we talk a lot about interest rates because they affect everything. But I like to challenge your preconceived notions about interest rates and show you why, even as home prices are higher and interest rates are going up, if you're wanting to make a move in the next 5 years, now is the time to act. First, let's talk about buying power. Buying power is the total amount of money you have available each month for a mortgage payment. Any money you save for a down payment, the proceeds from the sale of your current home, if applicable, and the amount of money that you're qualified to borrow all impact your buying power. This means that interest rates go up, you'll spend the same amount of money for less of a house. See, when people talk about interest rates, we usually think interest rates equals a higher monthly payment. And while that is definitely true, let's flip this on its head and start with your current budget for a mortgage payment. And if you begin here and work backwards, you can get a sense of how powerful interest rates can be when determining the amount of house you can afford. Take a look at this example, and let's start on the right-hand side of the table. Let's say you have a monthly budget of around $1,900 for a mortgage payment. With a similar down payment and an increase of just 1% of interest rate, you would lose an additional $50,000 of buying power. And as we look at interest rates over the last 40 years, we see that even though interest rates are going up, they're around an average for the last several decades. If you're a buyer, this means that right now you'll get more of a house for your budget than you will likely in the next 5 years. Plus, if you are currently renting, waiting longer to purchase means paying more to your landlord, and versus building equity for yourself. And finally, if you're a seller, what the market is showing us is that the pool of buyers is still large enough for you to net a great proceeds of your home. However, if interest rates continue to rise over the next 5 years, which looks extremely likely from the data pool, your buyers will become smaller. As much as people hate to say it, it's unlikely home prices are coming down dramatically anytime soon. Here's the market trend. It's predicting prices will most likely level off and stop rising so quickly, but a significant drop in price is not likely. What is happening and will continue to happen is a rise in interest rates. And as those interest rates go up over the next few years, it means buyers will simply be able to afford less house, and there will be fewer buyers around for sellers. So if you want to chat further about your personal situation, feel free to send me a message and let's figure out what works best for you.